What's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. Hope you guys are doing good. We are here at the open. Let's get into this. How you guys doing today? Good, good? All right. So I'm going back to doing some live stuff. Pretty excited for this. Let's get into it. So what's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. I hope you guys are having a good one. Let's get into it. So open is, it's 6:33 right now. We're gonna let opening range. We're gonna let this set up. Got my setup right over here. We're gonna mark London's high, Asia's low. There's no news for today, so I already checked that out. There's no news for today, no major news. So we're on a 15-minute. So we are gonna drop down to a 10-minute. Bada boom, bada bang. Hope you guys can see that much better. Here it is. All right. So let's get into it. Let's take a long off. So I have it connected to my sim account, and I'll actually show you guys my actual all my funded accounts. So let me show you guys. I'm in no trade right now. No trade. I just want to show you guys. We're gonna let it set up till 6:40. Then we'll get into it. So here are my accounts. I have some tick trading accounts. I got some take profit accounts right over here. Okay. So we have bada boom. We were green. Basically, we were green. Last night, we took the short on Asia. We were green over here. Green, 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 green. So we're going to work on these evals today, some take profit evals. And then we did blow up a couple. We did max loss on two Tradify accounts, and we blew up one of our tick accounts. So that is what we're doing tonight. I'm going to let that set up till 6:40, and then we'll either take a long. So I have it set up and connected to, like I said, to Replicanto, and that is just to control my size. Okay, it's just to control my size, and we'll have all the take profit accounts connected together to this one. So we'll be copying evals. It's the only time I usually copy evals. Okay, so let's get into it. Yeah, boy. Let's see. We're gonna let that hold. We're gonna let that hold. We're gonna let that hold. If you guys have any comments, let me know. Let me know. Studio mode. All right. We're gonna wait till 6:40. 6:40 to see if we join the longs. I already have a preset bracket orders here. 660. I usually use 600 for my minis, and I use 60 for my micros. So we're just gonna wait. We're gonna let it set up. We're in no rush. It's Monday, so it's all good. We're just gonna chill. It is Monday. All right, and let's see if we can get this camera going for you guys. I don't know what happened to my camera. Let's try to set it back up for you guys. All right. Might go long here. Let's go long. Let's go long off of this. Here we go. Just went long. We're long. We are going to wait for a target. If we shoot around, we're going to get to this S1. I want to see London high taken. London high, and we'll do. Here we go. All right. So free trade. We got a free trade on. These are 25K accounts. These are 25K accounts. So I'm going to probably just be doing one micros on these. All right, we're going to let that run. We're going to let it run. Just took out London high. Just took out London high. It's going to stop us out here in profit. All right, stopped us out in profit. So now we'll wait for a pullback. We will wait for a pullback. Let me try to get my camera set up for you guys. Let's see. Seems like we had some issues this morning. Whoop. Wrong camera. All right, there we go. Back in business. Sweet. What's up, guys? Whoop. Too big, too big, too big. And there we go. All right. Awesome. Looks good. Looks good. Here we go. Good to go. Let's get into it. So we're looking good. We're looking good. So we are looking at this long here. I want to join, but I want to pull back. So I'm going to wait till 640. I am going to wait till 640. 640. We hit the gym this morning. Gym was good. Good timing. I got a little music in the background for you guys. Wow, this is looking good. We're going to wait, though. We're going to wait till 640 to see if we get a pullback. We are going to wait. Going to wait. I mean, we did have a sell-off. We had a sell-off all Asian. I got a lot of that. So right now, I am going to wait for a pullback. This is just the smartest thing to do. I have other time frames up, but I just have this one up so you guys can see. Let's see. We're just going to wait. We're going to wait till 640. We're going to wait till 640. PST time. 640 PST time. Okay. All right. Let's long it. Let's bust along here. We're going to put a stop pretty down here. We're going to see, look for a push. We're going to look for a push. 640 is coming up. Let's add to a winner. We added to that winner. As soon as we get a pop over that S1, we're going to take some out. Boom. Take some out. Take some out. A little more. We're going to wait for another pop. And then we'll leave a runner on. Boom. We took that off. Okay. We're going to wait for a run. We're going to leave this on. I'm going to leave a stop down here. I'm curious to see if we come back. If not, that's fine. I am going to be looking for that Asia high as a target. Asia high. Asia high. We're only going to be doing these tick trader accounts. I'm actually about to put this on break even, and then I'm going to do them individually because we're in profit. Boom. Bada boom, bada bing, guys. Look at that. Nice pop out. Very nice breakout. Nice breakout. Nice breakout. There we go. Wait, it's still going. Still going. Give me a little more. Give me a little more. Put it at 30. We're going to wait for another push. Boom. All right. So we're in profit there. I'm going to switch them down to individually. Take profit accounts. So I was green on all those, about 70 bucks on them. It's a good little start there. Like again, I said these are 25K accounts. These are 25K accounts. So, and we're just going to wait. I have my trading view account up for you guys as well. And that's for, so I look at the 5, the 15, and the 30, and I also have ES up as well. So if you guys are wondering. Okay. I'm going to wait for a pull. I'm going to wait for a pullback. I'm waiting for a pullback to see if we get one. Seeing if we get a pullback. Seeing if we get a pullback. If not, that's fine. Let's see if we have any comments on here. Let's see. Let's see. Oop. Got a little background music going on for you guys. We are live. Let's see. We got a pullback coming in, guys. Pullback is coming in. Oh, what's this? My bad, my bad. We got a pullback coming in. I'm going to pull up my trading view. I want to see this play out here on... Oh, sorry about that, guys. That is a nice... We are above previous day high. So I'm actually going to take a long... And we're going to take 2 micros. We're going to look for that Asia top. Just because I feel like we're going to get into it. On opening range was between, let's see. Opening range, yep, was between 21,219 and 21,181. Now, I do the opening range. I do it on the NQ, but I am watching ES as well. I'm watching this as well. And I'm going back to trading live just because it's actually easy for me to control my size. Even though I got Replicanto going, it's just easier to control size. So, and I want to see if we can get another pullback because it is 6:45 coming up. So if we're going to be going long for the day, if we're going to take Asia high, it's going to hold. It's definitely going to hold that 15-minute breakout. So I'm interested to see if we're going to do that. I mean, we do have a level at 21,344. So I want to see us hit that level, and I'm probably going to take one off and then set for a break even. So let's see it push 20 to 21,344. 21,344. Not liking how it's stalling here. Okay, there's a push. Okay. Took one off. We're going to let the runner go. We're going to let the runner go. We're going to let that hold. All right, so I just got my alarm at 6:45. So I have alarms set 6:45, 7:30, and 8 o'clock. And those are basically alarms set up for me to help me out and remind me that the algos are going to start kicking on. So that's why I have those on. We're just going to let that go. Looking at a 5-minute. Let's see. 5-minute is pushing. It's pushing. All right, here's the push we wanted. There, we got our level. We just hit our level. I'm going to take some out there. We just hit that level, so I took some out. And I'm going to hold till maybe 7 or do another push. On a 5-minute, we're looking good. Clean breakout from the opening range on there. Let's see. If you guys like it, have any questions, let me know. Put it in the comment. Make sure you guys do that good stuff. Share, like, all that good stuff. I'm going to try to live stream every day, every morning. I'm just going to try to shoot that out for you guys. And I'll show you my evals, my funded accounts, all the good stuff, payouts. And I'll show you guys how I do it. Hit the gym this morning. Gym was good. Good gym sesh. We had a gym sesh at, what we did about an hour and a half. We did back and chest. So that was good. That was an awesome gym day. So on a 15-minute, that is a huge breakout. So for shorts to get spanking, they got to go under 21,197. And we're sitting at 6:46 PST time, 6:46 PST time. And now I'm talking about the NQ right now. So longs are looking pretty good, but I don't know if I want a long up here because we got a great piece. And I think I'm just going to hold off and wait. I want to see either a push back down to VWAP, something Gucci, right? Something good. I don't want to chase this. There's that pullback. We got our 10-minute. And on ES, I have an ES chart on 15 as well. I mean, that was a good breakout. I'm going to wait. We're going to wait. So shorts from last night are still in a good position if they were short from Asia. So we're gonna put on 1 micro, and we're gonna. I just want that target. I really want Asia right here. There we go. Let's add to our winners. Add to winners. Add to winners. Let it go. Go, 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 go. Take some off. Take some off. That's how you do it. You're in a winning trade. You add, and then you de-escalate. All right. Let's leave a runner on. Great breakout right there. That was a good breakout. Love it. Love it. Love it. Great breakout. We're going to let it push. ES is pushing. ES is 59.42. 59.42. ES is going for Asia high. It is going for Asia high. Once ES takes Asia high, I will definitely be taking this off if it doesn't come back down and take me out at break even or close to break even. Yeah, ES is pretty close to Asia high. 59.43. Asia high is 59.49. NQ is a little farther away from Asia high. But still, I mean, we're pretty close. I mean, 21.381, and we're at 21.371. There we go. Push, 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 push. Let it push. We're going to put that right there. We're going to let it push. And then we'll rotate to another account on the take profit. I used to trade with Trade Profit like a year ago. So they got rid of their DDL, which is amazing. Boom. All right, we got out. We got out. Amazing. So we're going to switch accounts to a next eval. And I'm still looking for Asia high. So we are going to long that baby. And we're going to put our stop at the bottom of the 10-minute bar. Because if we drop here, I definitely think maybe some bears we'll do a little drop into this area here, right? Remember, stay humble and hustle hard. Hope you guys are having a good one today. I hope everything's good. Hope you guys are jamming out. Monday morning. Let's see if we get a pullback or what we got going on. Let's see. I mean, 650 right now. I'm still looking for Asia high as a target. We are getting close. I am still looking at ES. ES is pushing. ES is pushing. Let's see. Let's see. Make sure you guys drop some likes on there. Some subscribes. We are pushing. We are pushing. We are pushing. Oh, my camera keeps messing up. Let me fix that for you guys. Let's see. Let's see. Keeps pushing. Keeps pushing. We're going to wait. I'm going to try to fix this. Let's see. We're waiting. Don't know what's going on with the camera. Now we're getting a pullback here. We are getting a pullback. We are getting a pullback. We are definitely getting a pullback. Oh, there we go. I'm going to try to set up this camera again because I don't know what's going on. Keeps doing this thing. It's no good. Let's see. And by the way, the music I got on is copyright free, so that's why YouTube won't kick my butt off. We are still watching. Make sure you guys drop some of them likes on there. If you guys have any questions, let me know. We are green pretty good today. On funded accounts, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Green on 4 funded accounts. Pretty big day last night on Asia. Almost 6K, almost 5K last night. So I kind of was coming in with the bias of a long today. And I kind of want, I'm trying to fix this for you guys. Let me. All right, so camera's not being that friendly today. No fun. That's never no fun. Oh, those are my little doggies. All right, there we go. What's up, guys? I hope that works. Got the bull in the back. I'm hoping this is much better for you guys. Let's get this going. Boom, boom, boom. All right, we are still in that long. I'm going to wait for a pullback. All right, there we go. There we go. Beautiful. All right. So, we are good. Camera's good. Everything's good. Waiting for a pullback. Got the polo on. So, we had a good morning. Like I said, we went to the gym. Got that gym in. About to get in some Quest if you're watching. Good protein. They got a protein milkshake for 45 grams. So, about to get into that right now. ES is at 59.41. Like I said, no major news today. We have no major news today. This is my breakfast after we hit the gym. Get them gains, right? Hope you guys are liking the jams. So, ES is pushing. We are watching ES. ES is pushing right now. If we get a higher, actually, this is what we'll do. If we push above this, we're going to do this. We're going to join it, like I said. So, big thing that I have is add to your winners. Don't add to your losers. I try my hardest not to DCA. I'm not saying I haven't done it. ES is pushing right now. 59.44, 59. Our Asia high on ES is 59.49, 59. What is it? 59.48. ES is pushing. Like I was about to say, add to your winners. We do have a weekly high at 21.414. 21.414. So we are definitely looking for a push. I'm actually going to add right here because ES is pushing. And it's okay if it stops me out. I'm cool with taking a 300 loss on this one. Let's see. Even the SPY is pushing. So overall, I think the market is trying to go green on the day. I think that's what it's trying to do. It's trying to go green on the day. Okay, so there we go. Like I said, ES is pushing. ES wants... Oh, okay, so ES, boom. Over Asia high. ES is over Asia high. It is over it. Let's see if it holds the breakout now, because I miscalculated. Asia high is 59.41. It's still pushing. Let's see if it holds. So our next level for on the ES is weekly high, which is 59.48. 59.48. So what's going to happen here is we're going to find out if ES will push, continue this, or what it wants to do. I mean, it is due for a pullback. It is 658. It is 658. So I'm not gonna add this to position. By the way, our previous day high on ES for our ES traders is 59.77, and our previous day high for our NQ traders is 21.511. And yes, I trade micros. I am a micro guy. So for all my haters out there, micros are fine. You just gotta hold a little bit longer on the trades. But I love micros. They're pretty good. It's just chilling here. Prices, it is doing lower highs, so I'm not liking that at all. But I'm gonna keep my stop there. I'm only into micros. I want to see ES just push it, right? That's kind of what I want to see ES do. So we're gonna see if it wants to cooperate or if it's gonna be like, nah, homie, nah, we ain't doing that. So let's see what it wants to do. We're gonna wait. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, hey, we got 2 watchers. All right, sweet. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Please make sure you hit that like button. All right, appreciate the likes. Every like counts. Yeah, the more likes I get, the bigger the channel goes. And just my goal is just to show everybody pretty much how to trade. You guys can see I don't really have too many indicators. All I have is VWAP. This is my VWAP. I have Asia high, Asia low, London high, and London low. And that's pretty much it. So I pretty much just trace price action. And then I have on my other screens, when you guys go to IG, on my IG, if you guys follow me, I have a 5-minute, a 15-minute, and a 15-minute ES. And what I'll do is I'll actually post a little video. Let's do this. You guys want to check it out? You guys can come check it out on my IG, 12MHUSTLE. But happy Monday to everybody. I hope you guys are having a good Monday today. Hope you guys are rock and rolling. Mondays are great. Love Mondays. Let you know that you're alive. You're blessed. It's a blessing day. Here we go. All right, yes, you need to do something, man. You're holding. So I do like how NQ is holding, but I might cut it. I mean, I might cut it right here. So I might cut it here and stab for a short. I just don't like what it's doing. See if I can make this better for you guys. There we go. You guys can see that a little bit better. Yeah, I'm not digging how it's... I want to see a push. There we go. And what we'll do is right below it. There we go. Okay, ES. What are we doing, ES? Looks like we're holding our Asia breakout. We are holding it. Now, that opening range that ES had was pretty nasty this morning. It's pretty good, actually. Oh, there it is. All right. Just got popped into that one. Just got that push we wanted. Now we leave a runner on. Let's go. We leave a runner on. Let's run it. Run it, run it, run it. ES is pushing. We might even add to this. Let's add to the push. Let's add to the push. Let's get a breakout. Go, 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 go. Okay, okay. Push, 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 push. Push, push, push. We're pushing, we're pushing. There we go. Look at that. What a clean breakout. And we had just talked about it, guys. Now we're going to leave a runner on. So a quick thing on take profit is they're almost like Top Step. 50%, right? You can't make more than 50% in a day to pass it. It takes 5 days to pass. But so that is amazing. We're going to let that run. That was great. So we definitely took out Asia high. And we're about to get the weekly high, 21,418. Weekly high, 21,418. So here we go. We might be stopped out here at a nice profit roll trade, and then we're going to switch to the next account. This is what I'm talking about. Today is the make money day, guys. Let's go. Okay, just switching accounts. Now we wait. So now we can long and we can hold off this. And it's 703. 703. It is 703. So let's see. We can do a little hold. Boom. So we gonna long that pullback, and we're gonna have a little stop out right here. Next level I'm looking for to continue this long, because it is 703. Next level I am looking at is still weekly high, which is 21,418. Weekly high 21,418. And that's what we're looking for. Very nice. Yes, what a nice hold you did. Let's see if it continues to push. So we pretty much stopped out Asia shorts last night. So I was short from like 21,400. So I mean, if I had still been short, I pretty much would have been stopped out. So saying that, next level ES can go to is 59.76, and the next level that NQ can go to is 21,491. So, but 730 is coming up, so I'm going to keep it light, and I want to see this push. And if we get over, once we get over 21,416, I'm going to put a break even stop. But I want to hold this. I want to see if we get a pullback and then maybe join the shorts for a quick scalp. But that's the game plan for that. Good morning. It is a very good morning, by the way. Today is a good day. Let's see. We have 2 accounts. We made 432. We had another account, 320. So now we're on this account. Oh, let me take this. There we go. Actually, I want a different account for the take profit. So once I get to like a goal, big thing on this is I don't copy trade the whole time. Once I get to a certain goal, I just rotate them, because it's just easier on the mental. So like right now, I'm gonna go to the 4th eval, and it's just gonna be so my mindset can reset. 79, and that's the trick. That's the trick to props. You just reset. So here we go. Here's a breakout. We are continuing that breakout. We are going to make a stop here. I want to see it continue. Nice little stop here. About 200 points. Actually, 200 ticks. Sorry, not points. 200 ticks. So we are waiting there. And I usually have, you guys can see how much my gain, and let's fix that for you guys real quick. I ended up getting this script from somebody, and it pretty much shows you how much you make and how much you're going to lose. It's actually pretty sick. Let's see. Yeah, it usually works pretty well, but it could have came off this morning. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Boom. Okay. So I like this script because it just shows me my stop out 101, my gain 205. Oh, what was that? What was that? That was huge. Wow. We just got a pop. What a nasty pop that was. What is it? 707? I didn't have any news on my side, but that was amazing. Man, I wish I would have had more size on. Oh, let it run. Let it run. Let it run. We gonna let it run. We're gonna profit. Let it run. Let your runners run. That was beautiful. We're gonna let that run. We're still letting that run, and then we'll move on to the next one. Okay, got taken out on profit. Taking that on profit, we're going to move to 23. Where's 23 at? 23. Okay, here we go. Boom. That was beautiful. So now that took out, we took out ES weekly high. We took out the NQ high. The market wants to go green on the day. Pretty much just took out everybody that was short last night, and it said, yeah, hold my beer. It literally said, hold my beer, homie. Look at the move the market did. I was short from up here. I covered around here. I had some stops kind of midnight, and the market just went back. We're kind of doing the W. So the W is like down, boom, up. So we're either gonna continue up, or we are going to drop down. So let's see what happens. It's some good stuff this morning. It is a good Monday. We got the gym, got them gains. Everything's good today. And it is 7:08. Okay, we are waiting to see if we get a push. So if the bulls are going to take over, this will continue. And I am watching, let's see. So we have oils down, NKD, which is the Nikkei, right, which is the Japanese index, is 1.26. Bitcoin is down. Woo! Bitcoin's down almost 3%, 2.74%. It's at 103K. We have the Dow. The Dow is down 0.003, trying to go positive on the day. The ES is down 0.30. They're trying to go positive on the day. NQ is down the same amount, 0.31. And the Russell is down 1%. So this is what I follow. This is basically what I do. Okay, so the push is continuing. All right, let's add to that winner. So add to your winners, not to your losers. That's the name of the game, guys. Let's see. It could possibly push me back here. Let's see if we get another push. I will take some off. It's 7:10. At 7:30, I will be looking for a reversal probably. I want to see if we take this out here. 2 micros, not bad. Now, next target I have is for the longs, 21,511 on the NQ, which is previous day high, which would mean they'd be taking out swing shorts from yesterday, which would be wild. Basically, you'd be taking the people that were short yesterday at the end of the day that either were greedy, didn't take their profits at like almost 124, almost a 600-point move. They're just greedy. They thought it was going to unwind, and now they're going to get run. They're going to get stop run. So that is the target, previous day high. That's what I'm looking for. Ooh, push a little push here. I will take it. Kind of want to de-risk. I might take some off here. There we go. You know what? I took one off. That's fine. So 2 things I do. 1, add to my winners. 2, de-risk, which means I wasn't feeling hot about that position. I'm watching ES. Don't like how it's pulling back on a 15. And I also have a 1 minute I watch on TradingView. So I'm going to de-risk. I'm going to leave 1 micro on. And then it's either going to 2 things. Let my trade play out a little further. That's 1. And 2, it's going to control my risk, which is the most important. Right? Which is the most important. Behind me, what you guys have is the bull, market bull, and then I have a chart, news, I have all my accounts. I write at the end of the day, keeping track of everything. But yeah, y'all remember, stay humble, hustle hard. That is the name thing about 12MHUSTLE's channel. So 712. No big news. That push, I wasn't expecting that big of a push, but it did do a bear flag where it just wiggled down. And so the bear flag, this little move there, that was kind of a bear flag move. Wiggled down, then pushed. On a 5 minute looks better. But that push was pretty good push right there. At 7 o'clock, we got a nice little bump. Same move came on ES, little bump. And you pretty much pushed all the shorts out. So shorts that were short from London, knocked out. Shorts that were short from Asia, gone. So now 2 things are going to happen. 1, it's going to retrace back into here, catch some buyers and keep pushing, or it's going to retrace and then pretty much bag the buyers that didn't sell and then continue down. So those are the two things that are going to happen. I'm watching both. I'm interested to see what happens. I'm leaving my play to play out. I can risk 200 bucks in that. On that account right now, I'm up 70 bucks. So really, I'm not risking 200 bucks. I'm risking about $1.20, $1.30. So that's a good trade on the 25K to risk that. And for them to take out all the way down 21,341, I feel like it's a pretty wide stop and good risk. Wide stop, good reward. It's almost a 1-to-1. So bada boom, bada bing. I am looking for an ultimate play for the market to go green on ES, on NQ, and on everything else. So that is the mindset behind this trade. And then I also have a couple top step accounts. I have one XFA I just passed last night. Haven't activated yet. We'll probably later this week or next week. Once I activate them, I got 2 more I got to pass. I'll stream tomorrow. I had to pass those, and then once I have all my funded accounts, I'll pretty much stop doing evals. I don't like doing evals and funded at the same time because it just messes up your mindset. You know, on evals you risk a little more. On funded accounts you pretty much trade only the best setups. A little more boring. So, but it's good stuff. So it's all good. It's good stuff. And I was doing live trading before, but no one ever followed. But now I'm like, fuck that, dude. It's for me. So it's more for me than for anything. You know, if I build the community, cool. If people want to join, cool. People learn, that's the most important. And I'm just going to show how I trade, what I do with the mindset, all the good stuff. So there is no Lambos. There's no Fruroos. Sorry. This is what real trading is like. So in a trade when I'm just chilling like right now, I'll just let it work. Literally, this is what traders do. They'll literally just chill. Everybody thinks you got to keep clicking a button every 5 seconds. You don't. You're just chilling. You know, putting some music on. Got the music going. You're relaxing. Yeah, I got a couple accounts. Shout out to my boy Romian from one of my chats that I'm in. He gave me a free 50K account for Thrive Trading. I'm just trying him out. We'll see how it goes. I mean, goal is to get a payout. So, and I'm just chilling right now. Oh, there's a pop. All right, I want to add to this. Let's add. We're gonna add here. So we just added there. All right, cool. We're gonna add there. As we get a pop, I'm gonna take some off. So we get another pop. These are cool little scalps. I mean, this is 25K. This ain't nothing, you know. Can't knock it, you know. Boom. There we go. Push it. Oh, give me another push. Boom. There it is. There's the push we wanted. ES just pushed over that last candle. ES is going. ES wants previous day high, baby. Let's go. So now we're in some profits. Now this is beautiful because now we're risking 200 bucks. Got about $1.20 on there. All right. There we go. Took it off. Just recycling back in. We have a risk at 212 and we have about 132 in profits. The reason I did that is because now I have a 50% trade on. So if I lose this trade, I'm always thinking about how much I'm going to lose. It's 200 minus 100, so I'm risking 100 bucks. So now we're in. It's going. ES wants previous day high. It wants it. It wants it. It wants it. We're just gonna let it keep doing its thing. It's 717, by the way. So that's pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. All right, all right. And we are just waiting. All right, here's a push. Here's a push, guys. We are looking for previous day high. Come on, give it to me. Come on. Let's see. Let's see. ES is sitting at 59.64. Previous day high is 59.77. Previous day on NQ is 21.511. It is 7:18 right now. If we can make it before 7:30, 7:30 I call it algo time, which is we either see some type of pullback, or B, we see some type of push. These are different times that the algo kicks on in all different markets, big caps, small caps. I tracked it over like 3 years. I had like a gazillion Excel sheets. One of my old friend traders taught me it, and that's why I figured out there's a couple times where the algo kicks on all markets, even crypto. So we have 6:30, which is when the market opens. That's more stock market and futures and options too. And then we have our 7:30, right? Our 6:45 a.m. as well, PST time. And then we have our 7:30 is a big one. Our 8 o'clock is the biggest one, where we'll see a big push up or down, which is our 8 a.m. PST time, Pacific timing. We'll see some type of push. These are all different times that you'll see that algo will kick on, and it will either do a big move. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the camera thing. I'll probably have to buy a new one, but because it keeps disconnecting, so that's no fun. But all good. There we go. All right, figured it out. Cool. So it's a cool little section on OBS. You can just deactivate and activate it again. It's kind of annoying, but works. Waiting for a push here on a 5-minute. We have a solid bulls are holding 21,412. This thing is just grinding up, grinding up. But again, I don't want to be full size into this, because if we get a pullback, it is going to be nasty. We're going to let that push. Come on. Come on. You know you want to push. Come on. Again, these are 25K accounts, so I'm not pushing too hard on them. The max you can get on them is $700 in a day, and then you have to make the other $700 the next day. 50% consistency. Once you do trade with take profit, once you move from eval to funded account, they do have a trailing. So just, it's good to kind of get in the habit of just, small size when you're using the 25K. First time for me using 25K, I'm a 50K account guy and a 150K account guy. That's what I love. But the deal was good. It was like $100 and no activation fee, so it was a win-win. And yes, there are some traders out there that say don't use TP. I like TP. Take profit. Gives me an idea what I'm going to get. This one, technically, it's a 1-to-1, like I was saying. So it says 217, but I have profits of 132, so I'll risk what I have on the day. Lets me have a little more wiggle room and lets my trade play out. So a little bit of a higher win rate. And I want to see a push, because now it's kind of slowing down, which is no good. That is no good, my friends. No good. And we're just chilling, let the trade play out. These are the jams I like to listen to. It kind of relaxes my mind, kind of lets me trade. Again, let's show you guys what we're up on the market. Let's see. Market right now. Again, ES is at 59.61, 0.24%. NQ 0.28%. Russell 1.03%. All in the red, by the way. YM 0.03%. And Bitcoin is 2.63%. Looks like it's trying to go green as well. And the Nikki NKD is 1.24%. And oil just went green. Oil was red on this morning. Now it just went green by 0.08. So when oil goes green, a little bit of a problem. So oil and NQ have an inverse. When oil's green, NQ usually goes red. So usually, but sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. Let's see. All right. Like I said, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It's a 50-50 thing. Yeah, the goal for tomorrow probably is going to be, I got a couple fun that I got to work on, some Tradeify accounts, which is going to be no fun because I hit max loss overnight on Asia. Kind of sucks. I was trying to long a couple times after I had covered and didn't work out. So I have a Tick Trader account, I believe, at what is it? 144, 147. We got to work on. I have a 2 Tradeify accounts at 146 and 145. So like the drawdowns like 2,000 on those. So we'll have to work those again with micros and build those up. So, and I do have the Replicanto going. And I bought the full lifetime just because it's easier. It's like $100. And it just, like I said, I mainly use it to control the size. So I connect it to the sim account you see on here, and I put 6 to 7 micros, and that just way it controls the size. What do I have it at right now? It's like my own way to control size. It's a little, I call it a little cheat sheet to trading props, because the whole thing about props is they make money off you going oversized, right? Oversizing, going, you know, excuse my French, balls to the yo what, you know. Yeah, I kind of have it at 20. Actually, I'm going to cut that down. I'm going to cut that down to 8 micros. Actually, 7. Because these 25K accounts are not that much DD. Okay, so we cut that down to 7 micros, and we're just waiting to see if we're getting a pullback. ES is pulling back. If we break this, I am going to go short probably. This is what I was talking about, because I am looking at the time. We're getting $83, so even better. We'd still be green on that account, and we would take a short stab just to see if we get a pullback to 21,344, because it is 725. So I wanted to make it the previous day high before 7:30. Doesn't look like we got it. I'm about to close this trade here. I'll close it, and we're going short. Just went short. We're going to add to that as soon as we get green. Just went short. Short again. All right, beautiful. There we go. Got a little bit back on that trade. We're going to do another short. ES is going down. NQ is going down. We're going to pull back. We broke on a 5-minute. I'm looking at a 10-minute. All right, we just broke a 10-minute bar. Like I said, this is a nice pullback. We're going to take one off. Not bad. We're going to wait now. So originally this is where we had our stop, but I just flipped the switch. Tom Hugar says flip the switch, right? Basically, if you're, you know, long or short, just look at what the chart's telling you. Don't matter what I think. It's just what the chart says it all. So we're going short. We're in profit again. Back to originally what we had. We made our loss back. Oh, whoops. Okay, sweet. I was trying to cover that, but I'll take that ad. Okay. Now we wait and we let it run, baby. Let that run down. So this area here is a good area. This whole area here is a good area for it to hold and push. But this, we did get a short signal, which was the break of the 10, a break of a 5-minute, M5 and M10, and a break of a 15-minute will be down here. So let's see. Just took that. I'll take another short. I just recycled. It's looking good. The short's looking real nice. I want to see a break of, there we go. Continue, continue. One more push down. Okay, there it is. There it is. That is what I was waiting for. You guys saw that? Now we're gonna, okay, broke the 5 minute, broke a 10 minute. Wants to go for a 15 minute. Very nice drop. Continue, continue. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, so now we wait. So since we had already broke a 10 minute, we would went short there. We covered the drop. We're gonna wait now. Right, that was your short signal when it broke. That 10. That's why I had moved up my stop, changed my mind. I broke a 5 minute. Now, for it to indefinitely go down, it's got to break a 15 minute, right? And a 15 minute is all the way down here, which is 21,348. 21,348 down here. So two things we're gonna do. We're gonna put this. Stop limit. And we're gonna see if it wants to continue going down, but ES just wick down to 59.49, held it, and it's going back up. Oh, what's up with this camera, man? Keep messing up, brother. What you doing? There we go. We're back on. So we're just waiting for that. See if we get it. We are green on that account, so that was a good trade. We made back the loss. We got a little more profit on there, so that was a win-win. Up 7:30. So that is my 7:30 alarm, 7:30 PST, and that basically tells me it's, I call it algo time. So algo time, we're gonna have some type of move here. So just watch and learn, guys. Watch. Let's see. ES is holding. Okay, very nice. Let's see if ES wants to break a 15 level. If ES breaks the 15 minute, which is 59.46, I would probably prematurely jump into a short on NQ again. And it's only because that would be a 15-minute break. Since we already had a 5-minute break on ES, a 10-minute break on ES, if we get a 15-minute break, higher chance that the short is going to continue down. So, because everybody's looking for that previous day high, at least the longs were. They pretty much stopped out all shorts. So shorts are gone from last night. Shorts are gone from Friday at the end of the day. So now it's a thing of, let's see what they want to do. It is 7:30, so wow, that was pretty lame there. I didn't do anything. And we're just letting it do its thing. I'm just checking emails. I want to see if it... I'm waiting on ES mainly to see what happens. So I'm in no FOMO, no fear of missing out. And we're letting Let's do its thing, do its thing, do its thing. Don't like how we just pretty much just chilled. You could tell from the price action that the volatility just kind of relaxed, right? We had just boop, 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 shot up, and then now we're just stagnant. So when it's stagnant like this, I just wait. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. At least we got some good music, though. Now, if we get a push above that high of day, basically, right now, probably long it. Because I'm still looking for a previous day high. So that's what I want. Just don't know if they're going to give it to me. Yeah, if you guys took the opening range game plan that everybody does, opening range is when you take you do the minute, the first 30 seconds of the opening range bar, and if it opens, the next candle after it goes above it, you long. If it goes below it, you short it. Pretty short, pretty simple strategy. So, I mean, ES had a nice, what was that? Almost 20 points opening range gap. And NQ had a nice 50 points, almost double. So here's a buy. I'm still waiting. I want to see a push above. I want to see a push above here, right? So, like I said, I'll rehash what happened last night. Last night I shorted. I pretty much shorted this. Covered a little bit here. Shorted again. By the way, these candles here are my shorts in play. So shorted, covered, then long, shot out, shorted, covered, shorted, covered, a little bit of longed, shorted, covered. So this was a little bit of fun. I left orders here, and then this was today. So not bad. Like I said, anyone that was long from here got stopped out. Anybody that was long from here got stopped out today. So stopped out for swings, and then yesterday, anyone that was long from here is about to get stopped out if we go to previous day high. But they should have took profits down here. So you would think they would take profits down there, right? It'd be the smart thing to do. But as traders, we are greedy. We are greedy. Dun, 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 dun. Let me see if there's any other type of news today. Whoops, sorry. I don't think there is. I usually just use Trading Views news thing. I don't think there's any news today. And we're just waiting to see what we gonna do. Looks like ES wants to hit that previous day, not previous day high, but previous day high, and it hits today high. So looks like it wants to do both. Question, let's see if we get it. waiting to see what happens next. Yeah, ES is chilling. NQ. Let's see if it pushes above on that 10-minute. That'd be nice. This could be a trap. Nice little trap for shorts. I'm in no position right now, by the way. I'm hands off. I'm sitting on hands. I'm just waiting. No positions, and it is 7:38. I usually stop trading about 8 o'clock. But I am down to take that long because I still want that previous day high. So I'm going to wait. We're just going to wait. Just going to wait. Just chilling and waiting. Dun, 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 dun. And we are just waiting. We are chilling to see what happens. Let's see. Man, it's just pretty much died out. Dun dun dun. We're just waiting to see. Just giving it a minute. Oh, here we go. Here's a push on the ES. There we go. Seems to be pushing. It's pushing. If we get a push on ES, I will go long. I'll go long on it. Let's see. Just waiting. I'm waiting for ES to push above, and then I'll go long. So it's kind of what I'm waiting for. Let's see. It's still pushing. Dun 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 dun. Waiting to do its thing. All right, there we go. So ES is pushing. As soon as it pushes above this previous day high bar that it just made, I'm gonna go ahead and go long. So I'll take this order off and I'll go long. So I want to push above, ideally above here, but ES is at 59. What is this? 59.60, and I want to push above 59.64. So let's see if I get it. If I get it, I'm going long. That's what I'm waiting for. still just chilling there, so I'm still waiting for that. We are still waiting for that. Nope. Got wicked and it's still just chilling there. Oh, what's up with my camera? There we go. Good. So we are still waiting, guys. $7.44. So curious to see if we're gonna wait till 8 o'clock and then we're gonna push it, right? So I'm curious to see that. All right. We are waiting to see what's the dealio. What's the dealio, guys? We are waiting. We are waiting. I actually might put a. I'm gonna probably put a. Oh, 7:45 alarm just went off. So the 7:45, another one at 7:45, to see if we can get what we're looking for, that algo time. So not bad. Okay, let's see. I think we're game on. Let's push it here. All right, let's see if we can get it. Buy one, market buy. There we go. Okay, so curious to see if we get that push. And I'm just chilling. I'm just reading up on. I go on X and just read up on some for the other traders that we got. Like I said, if you guys have questions, drop them down on the comments. All that good stuff. If you guys want different music, let me know. And man, the market just went kind of dead. Just went straight sideways. Just like, whoop, ain't doing nothing. I'm definitely not digging that. That's no bueno. This is no good. When it goes like this, it's gonna go one or either way. But I will wait for that to happen. Dun, dun. We're just waiting. We're just chilling. No, train's a lot of waiting. It's more boring than what people think. But makes money, so. Yeah, before you guys ask if I have Discord, so I have my own Discord that I made for myself, basically. But eventually, maybe I'll open it up to everybody for free. I don't believe in the whole charging people stuff. It's all free information on the internet anyways. That's how I learned trading, so. I'm still waiting to see what we got here. I hate how it's doing lower highs and lower lows. So it's like it won't break out, it won't go lower. It's just doing this. Just no good. This is not what you want to see at all. Oh, there we go. We're just waiting, waiting and waiting. We're just gonna wait. We're gonna wait it out. I'm just gonna let it keep doing its thing. Could flip short. Let's see. Maybe. I'm gonna wait. Just gonna wait. Just gonna wait. Gonna wait. Wait. All right, we're gonna flip short right off of this one right here. Let's hit it. Boom. So we're short, and because I feel like that's a pretty good short, and now we're gonna do a stop right there. And let's see if we get taken out. 750. Good short just because we retouched that base, so I feel like if we break it, we are gonna be going down. So let's see. Okay, so it is pushing here, and we're gonna wait. See if it stops us out. We're gonna let it keep playing. We're just letting it do its thing. We're letting it do its thing. Another cool thing I have is I have a standing desk. I'm about to stand up because my back is no good. Let's see. My bad. And let's see if we get stopped out. It's okay if we get stopped out. I'm cool with that. I'm just taking a screenshot of something real quick. Give me a sec, guys. I'll let it stop me out if it wants. I'm not gonna. Stops me out, I'll have to flip long just because it'll break out. It'll be a triple top, so I feel pretty confident in that one. I know, it's kind of boring. There's nothing, it's just going sideways. I needed to do something. All right, and it's just doing a bunch of nothing. All right, just waiting, just waiting. Waiting to see what we gonna get. What time is it? It is 7:55, so 5 minutes to 8, and it's definitely on a 5 minute looking like a bear flag. So we probably are gonna get stopped out because I'm not feeling so hot about it right now. We will probably get stopped out, which is okay too. If we get stopped out, it's not the end of the world. Let's see. I want to see what it does at 8 o'clock. Waiting to see what it does. It's just chilling. I have an alarm at 8, so it's gonna hit eventually. We're just gonna wait. We're gonna wait for a drop, drop, drop. We're gonna wait for a drop, drop, drop. Come on, what you gonna do? Come on, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? ES is holding. It's holding pretty good. ES is holding pretty good, guys. Pretty good. We are waiting for this to push. Come on, baby. Do something. Oh, my camera again? Come on. There we go. There we go. We're back. So we're waiting for a push. Man, this thing is not giving it. Let's see. We are going to wait. Just waiting. Want to wait till we see if we get a drop here. Kind of just hanging out, chilling. 8 o'clock's about to hit. Let's see. Oh, here we go. All right. That is 8 o'clock. Just hit 8 o'clock. Okay. So we are either going to continue to drop or we're going to get a push up. So let's see which one we get. Let's see if ES wants to finally break down. We should get a push up. Let's see. I'm gonna lower our stop out. We're just lowering our stop out. Let's see. ES is trying to push. Waiting to see what it wants to do. Oh, we're just waiting. I'm waiting to see if it wants to push up. But this sideways is no good. Alright. I'm still waiting. It's pushing. See if it stops me out. Yeah, I don't like how the action kind of just slowed down. Still waiting. Do 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 do. Still waiting, just chilling. ES is pushing. ES is pushing. Watch them both. Still waiting for a push here. It looks like a bear flag, so lower highs and almost lower lows. So we're still waiting to see what happens. Still waiting. Should had some type of move by now. ES is pushing. Still waiting. And I'm still just waiting to see what it does. I'll add if it decides to go down. I will add to it. So definitely add to a winner. I'm just hanging out, chilling. Just waiting for a push, waiting for some action. There is zero action going on right now. Nada, it's just going sideways. I might go get a sandwich actually. Or another protein bar. Might go get me a sandwich. Protein bar. There's that push. Let's see. There's ES trying to push out. Waiting for that push. If we get stopped out, we add. Push coming. ES is pushing. Still waiting for an ES push. All right. It's pushing. Still pushing. Let's see. Wow. Keeps getting top wicked. That's not good. Definitely feel myself getting antsy. This thing is boring. Come on, man. Do something. What you doing? Just doing sideways chop. You're doing sideways chop, baby. All right, let's see if we can get some action going here. Come on. Let's see if we can get some action. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, baby, come on. Come on, you can do it. Waiting for it to do its thing, do its thing. Come on, man, do a push out, do something. I might have to go get me a sandwich. I'm gonna go get me a protein bar. All right. Wait for this thing to push up. So it can freaking stop me out and I can leave a long on. Just wait for a push out. This thing ain't doing its thing right now. I'm just chilling, waiting. Let's see. Let's wait. Let's see, we're just gonna wait. Yeah, so we had Moody's credit downgrade, by the way, over the weekend. So they had said the U.S. had grind down, and then it says, I guess President Donald Trump says he'll be speaking with the President Putin on Monday at 10 a.m. So that could have been the spike that we had. So that sounds like fun, right? Always fun. Let's see. So I'm still waiting to get stopped out. She is not stopping me out. Come on, you know you want to stop me out. What you doing? Stop playing. Stop playing. What you doing? I'm about to go get me a sandwich. Just waiting. Waiting for a push. All right, here we go. Come on, do it. As soon as it hits my stop out, I'm gonna flip long. Because that might mean we're getting out of this shitty ass range. What was it? 818, 815? There it is. Here's a push. Okay, boom. Here we go, guys. As soon as it stops me out, we're going. What the hell? Seriously? Another thing I do is I wait to get stopped out. You know, just accept the loss, be cool with it, and have a game plan to what you do after it. But guess it doesn't want to stop me out. Come on. There you go. There you go. So I'll let it do its thing. I'm gonna just let it do its thing. I'm about to go get me a sandwich, guys. We're about to go do the sandwich thing. And I'm just chilling, waiting. Because ES is holding 59.49 pretty good. Has done a double bottom. So, I mean, it should break out, to be honest. Should be breaking out here. So, and I'm waiting to get stopped out. Just waiting. I'm about to go eat a sandwich right now because this shit's 8:22. Again, kind of getting towards my 8:30 point. So just waiting. Just waiting, waiting, waiting. Alright guys, so I'm waiting to get stopped out here. NQ's doing this barcode shit that I hate, and ES is just chilling. I'm about to go get a sandwich real quick. I'm about to dip on this. Let's see. So, let's talk about that gym sesh. Gym sesh this morning was on point. We did back. It was actually not that busy, so I was pretty excited about that. We're just waiting, waiting. Yeah, definitely looks like a bear flag building up, but no good the way it's holding it. Just waiting, chilling. Okay. About to go give me that sandwich. Cause there ain't shit going on right now. Yeah, definitely 59.55 on ES is just chilling. I thought we were gonna get a 15. Like I said, that previous day high is kind of what I was shooting for, but it is not happening. Yeah, it's not happening. It's not happening. Still waiting. About to set an alert. So I'm gonna leave some music on for you guys. I'm about to set an alert, and I'm gonna go make me another cup of coffee. So I'll be back. I'm gonna make me some coffee. So I'll put some music for you guys. I will be back. I'll be back. I'm gonna make some coffee. Coolios. I'll leave my trade on. What up, guys? About to get stopped out here. Let's see what's going on. We're back. What's up, guys? We're getting stopped out or what? Let's see. All right. Let's get stopped out. Ready? Here we go. Stopped out. And we're going all in. All right, guys. So that's what we're doing. We are going to look for this long. So we have previous day high at, like I said, 21.513. I was wondering if it's gonna take it out. Let's see. It's going. It's going. It's going. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Woo-hoo. Fire. That is what I'm talking about. Boom. Beautiful. That was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's add to that. Let's add to that. We just added to that. 6 micros. Let's go. Let's see it shoot up, guys. We're going to go for a target of 421.482, which is almost going to be previous day high. We're going to let this run. I'll be back. I'm going to get some coffee real quick. Let's go. Let me take off 2 more. Very nice. Take another one. Boom. Beautiful. We're going to let that run. We're going to let that run. Let it run, right? Let's let it run. Let it run. Let it run. Is going. ES is going. Let's go. Let's go. Full on. We are on this one. Let's add to this winner, guys. We're going to let it jump. We're going to let it go. We're going to let it go. It's going. It's going. It's going. It's pumping. Here's the pump. Here's the pump. There it is. Bada boom, bada bing, baby. And just took all times high for the day. And she's going. She's going. Pump it. Pump it. Let's go. Come on. Give it to me, daddy. Let's go. ES just over 59.67. ES going towards previous day high. She's pumping. This will be my last trade. And I am out. Maybe. Let's see. She's pumping. Boom. Took out profit. Out at profit. All right. Beautiful stuff, guys. Beautiful stuff. And I still think we're going to get previous day high. So let's go with the long here. And let's target it. Let's target 21. Let me see. Previous day high. 21.11. 21.511. 21.511. That's previous day high. Let's see if we get it. And we'll put a stop right under this. If we go under 21.377, then we are looking for a nice short pullback back to VWAP, back into this area. If not, we are hitting previous day high. ES is up 29.67. Let's go. I'll be back. I'm going to get some coffee. I'll let you guys with my jams. What up, guys? What up? What up? I'm back. I'm making coffee real quick. What do we got? Oh, we had a little drop. Sounds good. Sounds good. What's up? What's up, guys? I'm back. I've been streaming for a minute now. Let's see. I want to take another. Let's add to this. Who wants to add to this? Let's do this. Still think we're going to hit that previous day high. Let's try this out. Okay. Still thinking we hit previous day high, guys. Still waiting. With the hit previous day high, and that's what I'm waiting for. Left that on. I'm gonna leave that on real quick. I'm gonna see if we get a little push. Little push. Little push. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, NQ. Let's go. Do it, baby. Get that push. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So on the 25K, guys, you can only have 3 minis, by the way, if you're wondering. 3 minis. 3 minis. And this is an eval. This is an eval. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Are we gonna get the pop, 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 pop? Are we gonna get the pop, pop? We gonna add to this, guys. We gonna add into it. Let's go, let's go. I feel like we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Let's see, let's see. See if we get a reclaim. If we get a nice little pop, we're gonna take that. I mean, it's an eval, so it's all good if we get stopped out. See what happens. We're gonna lower the music a little bit. We're gonna wait for this right here. Let's see, she's gonna pop. What's she gonna do? What's she gonna do, guys? Oh. She gonna give it to us. 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 There we go. We got our pop. Boom, boom, boom. And take it off. Bada bang, bada boom. Let's do one more long on that. We're gonna do a long. We're gonna hold it there. Beautiful, guys. That was beautiful. Very nice. We're gonna leave this here for a nice little stop out of $86. And we still shooting for the previous day high. 21,509. 21,509. We gonna get that? We gonna get that or what? Let's say 21,500, because we like even numbers up in here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We gonna get it. Woo, woo. We gonna get it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Get pumped, get pumped, get pumped. Boom. Alrighty. So that is it. Looking like we ain't gonna get it. It is 9 o'clock. I am done. Let's show you guys what's up for the day. It has been awesome. It's been cool. I appreciate you guys coming over to check out my live trading. Hope you guys have learned. But we out. We done. I'm going to show you guys what it was like. So here's the accounts. Let's show you guys the accounts. Let's show you the wins, the losses, all the good stuff, because this is what we do. And here we go. So, Asia market, we killed it early on these bigger accounts. And we got killed on a couple funded accounts. So we're going to work on these tomorrow. We're going to work on these tomorrow. We're going to work on some take profits tomorrow. I have another one from Thrive, but that's on Quant Tower. That's all done. Good to go. It was a short as well. So we made our $400 each one. That's it. We done. We out. It's 9 o'clock. It's time to go. I appreciate y'all coming to Peace.